My name is Usman. I'm the defense minister for Nigeria. Next slide, please. Here's the helicopter. This helicopter is very technologically advanced vehicles that serves many purposes. This vehicle has the capability to hover our location from one to another and accomplish tasks that couldn't be performed by others helicopters or the planes. Take off and land in virtual locations. Next slide, please. If we need to move the troops, this is the helicopter that we can use, especially when the enemy attack on our troops. It also needs to modify troops, and if you want to attach weapons to other helicopters, you can also helpful for that. And if you need to add the weapons, you can use this helicopter as well. Next slide, please. Our helicopter uses one manual with anti-torpedo configuration. They can solve all your needs and even more. So this is the helicopter that you can use, especially when the enemies attack or for your defense. If you have any question, you can talk with the Chief Minister, Ms. Server.
Did you say there was a real size or scale model?
Well, I was confused about it, and
I agree.
Yeah, I wasn't sure, so that's why.
That is the actual size of the technology.
I was confused.
The nano helicopter. So ignore this slide about moving troops around. So nano helicopter. It's two rotors, not one, so the second slide is not correct either.